welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by one of my favorite things, and that is unicorns. And I thought this would be a perfect week to upload this video because it is a week before Halloween. And this makeup look is very easy to do if you're a makeup beginner, or if you're just not really into makeup in general. Like, this is super easy. Literally anybody can do this because I'm only using 2 shadows on my eyes today, and I think that this look turned out really pretty and just really unicorny, and I just really like it a lot. All you're going to need is a unicorn onesie or a headband, and you're going to be good to go for Halloween. So let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Master Fairy highlight from Maybelline, and I'm actually just going to take the blue little stripe right there, and I'm going to apply that blue little shadow right into the inner half of my lid, and I'm going to use this little flat sheeter brush to apply it. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that shadow a little bit into my crease. Using this same flat shader brush, I'm going to apply a dark purple shade from the Sephora Beyond the Stars palette into the outer half of my lid. Now I'm just going to blend that shadow out just a little bit into my crease as well. Alright, next up I'm going to do some mascara, and I'm going to use my little fiber mascara that I got sent to me. Now, I would say the next step would be to add some silver glitter liquid eyeliner. I think that that would look really cute with this unicorn eyeshadow look that we have going on. But I don't have any liquid eyeliner, especially glitter liquid eyeliner, so I'm just going to add some mascara next. Next up, I'm going to use my bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty at Big Bangs, and I'm just going to use the bronzer to bronze up my face with, and this is in the shade 03. And to apply it, I'm just going to use this e.l.f. angled blush brush. Next, I'm going to take this e.l.f. blush in the shade Shy, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks using this Profusion blush brush. Last but certainly not least is highlighter, and for highlighter today, I'm just going to be using my Essence Pure Nude Highlight in the shade number 10 be my highlight, and I am just going to apply this to the high points of my cheekbones, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. highlighting brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and for lips, I'm just going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Sticks lipstick in the shade Pink Champagne, and then we will be done with this makeup look. Alright y'all, so that is it for this unicorn makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.